Meaning of disabuse.
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 Disabuse. The term disabuse refers to the act of correcting someone's false beliefs, ideas, or misconceptions, particularly those that have been held for an extended period of time. The result of disabusing someone is that they become aware and informed about the truth or reality of a particular situation, issue, or topic. It involves helping them to overcome their previous misunderstandings and misconceptions, which can be a difficult and delicate process. Ultimately, the goal of disabusing someone is to impart knowledge and understanding, allowing them to make informed decisions and take appropriate action based on a more accurate understanding of the world around them.